Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know how you can actually convert your Telegram stars into Ton coin, then this video is for you. So you have to first log into your Telegram account using your Android device or Apple device, or you can use your PC. Now you have to search for Quick, like see Quick, and you will find this Quick TG bot. So you can simply click on it, and this will actually convert star into on coin. So you have to simply click on start, and here you can see I have just started this bot here. So from here it will respond us, or we can actually add something like convert our convert. You have to wait until it responds. So right now it's not responding. Here you can find any instruction, just like if it's turned off or shut down by the Telegram team. So right here we can see I have just told him to start the function, so it's not started, like slash start. It's not started, so it's actually working. The team of Telegram is working on that bot, so you have to wait until the next notification or the notice about this bot, that if this bot is now working, or if that bot is accepting the Telegram stars as a payment method to convert it into coin. So that's pretty much all thing. So you have to wait, and otherwise there is no other way to convert your Telegram stars into coin. So this is the only way. So you have to wait until it fixed by Telegram. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.